Hey, welcome back to the bend text arrow tool. You know, quite frankly, what I did is on these things, Control C, Control V, what I did is U, and I added an arrow to it. That's what I did on this. And that's what I always do. So if I select this and copy it over here, so if I select my arrow tool right here, Group Select, U, change the arrow to, I don't know, shit. I don't know. I got all this. I selected a lot of different stuff. Type. Oh, how about this one here, and change it to 20. That's what I typically do, and that worked. But now what Ben's talking about is the leader line tool, and I don't use this a whole lot. I quite frankly. So this is what Ben does. Ben test. And I'm going to do another bend test here. And so this is what he bend test 2 or blah, 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 blah 2. But now he wants to group select those. Can I group select those? That's the question. You. Yeah. I get it. I don't do that a lot. That's a good call. You. I mean, I can change these if I select them individually, 50. I was able to do it. But now can I select them as a group select? That's a great question. I'm not sure. I bet Glenn Woodward could do it, but hang on a second. Let me see if I can do it. Hold on. Let me see if I can do it. You. Yeah, I mean, I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying. Hang on a second. Let me see if I can. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3. This is not good. I mean, this is. I get that. This right here, select it over here. You. Now can I do it? I can't do it. I can't change the arrows. I get it. And maybe that's why I don't ever do this stuff. Let me see if I do it this way. You. Now I can do it. If I don't select the text, I can do it. So let's, hey, this isn't great. I get it. I get it, okay? So let's see if I can group select this stuff and then hold down the Shift key and, oh, shit, I don't know. How do I unselect the text? Now I've unselected the text. Now I just have the arrows, U. But I have two different kind of arrows because I've selected this arrow and this arrow, which are not the leader line arrows. I get that. If I deselect these leader line arrows and now you select that, oh, I still can't do it. What do I have? Oh, I had this text selected. Boop. You. Now I can change this to squares. Yeah, no, I get it. I get it. Very, I get it. I don't use the, I guess, to sum it up, I don't use this a lot, which is what you're using. Ben Testorino, blah, 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 blah. That's what you're using. I don't do that a lot. What I do is I usually have a text, Control C, Control V, stick it right there, U, and then I give it an arrow, and now I can, sorry. I don't have an answer for you. Obviously, there's two different kind of arrows. U, arrow size 50, 80, 100. U, arrow, sorry, 80. Oh, there's 100. Yeah, it's 100. See, that's 100. But that arrow is a lot different than the other arrows. That's what your point is, and I get that. Text with line arrows. Okay, now let me see which arrows I select. I selected all the arrows, but I have some text. So I have to unselect this text. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. Just do it right the first time. If I select this, this, and this, this, and this, U, I can change those. But now if I select, and those are text leader line arrows, okay? Now this is another arrow, U. I can't change it. I can't change it. Did you see what I just did? I selected this arrow, and this arrow, and I can't change the text, the arrow style, because they are two different kind of arrows. If I deselect this arrow here, now I can change the arrow to 20. You got that? I get it. I hear what you're saying. That's the end. Thanks, Ben. I don't have a good answer for you. That's the end.